Today's video is gonna be creamy vegan coleslaw, no oil, dairy free. Come with me, you're gonna enjoy this ride. Welcome to Tete's Kitchen. We are celebrating 4th of July, America the beautiful. So we are going to do together creamy vegan coleslaw with no oil and dairy free. Come with me. Let's do it together. Okay? We're gonna have, I already shredded the coleslaw, the white one, in 1 cup of the red cabbage. So we are going to put everything in this bowl here, very generous amount, like this. 1, 2, and 1 of the red one. You know, I always like the red one because it has a lot of antioxidants. And carrots. 1 cup. We are going to mix everything all together. Now, 1 whole lemon, I love everything that has lemon. I really do. Let's give a very good stir. Okay, for the second part now, we are going to do the vegan cream. For the coleslaw, it's gonna be 1 cup of cashew nuts. But I think it's too large, the blender, for this amount we are gonna make. So we are going to switch the blender for a small food processor. If you don't have in the house, you try to do in your blender, but I think it's gonna be too large. So we are having here the small food processor. It's gonna be better. Let's put 1 cup of cashew nuts. And it's gonna have 1/4 of a cup filtered water. Now 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The salt I use is coarse salt, so we are going to put 1 teaspoon. Where's my teaspoon here? Teaspoon. Okay, here we are. 1 teaspoon of coarse salt. Okay, so now, and let's creamy. We are gonna see if this is creamy enough. If it's not, we are gonna add 1 more 1/4 cup of water, okay? Filtered water. And it's not. We need a little bit more water. So, there we go. See how creamy? That's what we want. Stir a little bit more. Delicious. So now we are going to add straight to our coleslaw here. Smells delicious already. I don't know about you guys, but I really like crunchy things. So I'm going to add on this recipe a cup of roasted walnuts. That's my favorite. Half a cup of raisins. A little bit of coriander seed smashed over here. And a little bit of sesame seed. That's gonna be it for us. So we just garnish a little bit with sesame seed, a little bit of coriander seed that we smashed here. If you don't have this, don't worry about it. Just put in the paper towel, smashed over, and throw it here. And now we are going to have some raisins. And for the last, you're gonna stir a little bit more. For the last, our roasted walnuts. I think we are ready to celebrate 4th of July. This is delicious. America, the great. God bless America. See? Land that I love. Let's try now, guys. Let's try and celebrate America. Don't forget Nalani, they sponsor. We are having creamy vegan coleslaw, but Nalani is also organic, cruelty-free, and is good for your skin. Go to this description and find our website, nalanibotanics.com. Go take on the day. Go celebrate America. Cook something for you. Celebrate this wonderful country. We are so lucky to be here. God bless America.